Hello friends, welcome to Lifestyle Learning, and today we are going to learn daily use words of Hindi which starts with alphabet A. A is the first alphabet of Hindi. So we are going to learn several words, more than 50 words today, which are going to start with letter A, and they are like very common, and we talk and use those words. When we talk in Hindi, we use these words commonly or regularly, and I will tell you the meaning of those words and how to pronounce those words. If you have a notebook, just note it down, and if you don't, just keep watching the channel. And before we start our lesson, please do subscribe the channel's name is Old Style Learning. Okay, let's start. First word is ang. You see this small dot over here, it makes na sound. Ang. How we write it over here, I have wrote spelling over here, you can check this. Ang means body. Anguli, that's na sound again. Anguli means finger. Aag, there is no dot, so there is no nasal sound. It's not ang, it's aag. Okay, so the nasal sound, when you heard a nasal sound, that is coming from that dot. Okay, aag means fire. Angur, again you see the na sound, the nasal n sound, it's coming from that dot, it's called bindu. Okay, angur means grapes. Ab means now. Abhi means right now. Abhi means just now. Agar means if. Anguthi means ring. Abki bar means this time. Alag means different. And alag, when you say alag twice together, alag means separate. Okay, alag means different and alag means separate. Okay, agli bar means next time. The next letter is agla means next. Anda, that nasal sound. Anda means egg. Antar, again that nasal sound, is gap or distance. Antim means last or final. Andha means foolish and blind. Andhera means darkness. Aam means mango, or very common thing, usually found things. Okay, aam. Akela or akeli means lonely or alone. Aksar means often or usually. Akl means good sense or wisdom. Akshar, that letter, it's made kaksh sound. Okay, akshar. There is a very small sound of K in front of that letter. Okay, akshar, letters. Aage means ahead. Agal means next to each other. Achar means pickle. Acha means well or okay. Achai means goodness. Anjan means unknown. Ajeeb means strange. Atakna means get stuck. And there are few numbers which start with a. Art means 8. Attais means 28. Athara means 18. Artis means 38. Artalis means 48. Attavan means 58. Arsat means 68. And 78 means 78. Few words are here. Aankh, you heard that nasal sound. Aankh means eye. Padosi, this is this is very tough letter. Kids usually use d or ra for these, which is wrong pronunciation. Is different than d and r. Okay, so your tongue goes on the back of your mouth and touch on the top of roof of your mouth. And twist. Okay, padosi means neighbor. Ata pata means address or trace. If you are going to trace somebody and you don't know, you say uska kuch ata pata nahi hai. We cannot trace him. Okay. Ati means extreme. Ant, you hear that na sound. Ant means end. Abhi means just now. Aage, in front. Aaj, today. Adhik, extra. Adrak, it's a vegetable. Adrak, ginger, it's a root vegetable. Okay. Adla badli means exchange. Admi, man. Akelapan means loneliness. Akelapan means loneliness. Asabhya means rude. Akhand means monolithic. For now, today, there are those many words. I will come again with more words which starts with a or a. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. If you have any question or comments, please leave them in the comment box. And please like and share the channel. Thank you.